Embrace the life-changing power of pull-ups, an exercise that will redefine your strength and fitness. Pull-ups are a compound movement, engaging multiple muscle groups, including your back, shoulders, and arms. Not only do they sculpt your physique, but they also boost your mental fortitude. With each pull-up, you're not just lifting your body, you're lifting your spirit, reshaping your mindset. This transformational journey begins with a single pull-up. Now, imagine the impact of doing pull-ups every day for 90 days. Sounds intense? Let's dive into the journey. Day 1, you step up to the bar. It's tough, but you're tougher. Picture this. The bar is cold, the grip unfamiliar, your muscles tense with anticipation. You pull, straining against gravity. The pull-up bar seems miles away, but you're determined. It's the first day of your 90-day journey, and this single pull-up is just the beginning. The initial days are always the hardest. Your muscles scream in protest, your grip slips, but this is where perseverance steps in. It's about pushing through the discomfort, about rising above the strain. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about how many pull-ups you do in one day, but about doing them every day. And yes, there will be days when you'll want to give up, days when the bar seems higher than ever, but it's on those days that you need to dig deep, to find that inner strength. Because every journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single pull-up. As the days turn into weeks, you'll face peaks and valleys. Such is the nature of embarking on a 90-day pull-up challenge. The journey is not flat, but rather a series of highs and lows. There's an exhilarating rush as you feel your strength growing, the thrill of feeling your muscles harden, your grip tighten. You'll find yourself pulling up higher, your chin clearing the bar with a little more ease each day. These are the peaks, the moments when you'll feel invincible, when you'll believe that you can conquer anything. But with the highs come the lows. The days when your muscles scream in protest, when your arms feel like lead, when you struggle to even lift yourself an inch off the ground. These are the valleys, the moments of doubt, when you question why you even started this challenge. And then there's the plateau, that dreaded plateau where progress seems to stall, where each pull-up feels just as hard as the one before, where you feel like you're stuck in a rut. It's a frustrating phase, but it's also a necessary one. A plateau is not a stop sign, it's a test of your resolve, a chance for your body to catch up with your ambition. Overcoming these lows and plateaus requires more than just physical strength. It requires mental fortitude, a determination not to give up, not to let a bad day or a week of stagnation deter you from your goal. And as you push through, as you keep pulling up even when every fiber of your being tells you to stop, you realize that you're not just building muscle, you're building character. You'll find that the greatest strength gained from this challenge is not in your biceps or your back, but in your mind. It's the steel resolve that comes from sticking to a commitment, from overcoming obstacles, from proving to yourself that you are stronger than you ever thought possible. Through sweat and grit, you push past the hurdles, and before you know it, you're past the halfway mark. 90 days later, you look in the mirror and hardly recognize the person staring back. A more chiseled, stronger version of yourself, a testament to the power of pull-ups. Your back, arms, and shoulders now display a defined muscular structure you could only have dreamed of before. But it's not just about the physical transformation. You've also developed an iron will and a determination that leaves you feeling invincible. You've pushed through days of pain, fatigue, and doubt, proving to yourself that you can overcome anything. This is a mental transformation that's just as significant as the physical one. Each pull-up has not only built your muscles, but also your resilience and perseverance. This journey has taught you a valuable lesson. With consistency and determination, there is no limit to what you can achieve. You've not only transformed your body, but also your mind. You've become a testament to the power of pull-ups. So, what exactly are the benefits of doing pull-ups every day for 90 days? Well, let's break it down. Physically, you'll notice increased strength, particularly in your upper body, and a more sculpted physique. But the benefits extend beyond just the physical. Mentally, you're cultivating discipline by committing to a daily routine and resilience as you push past your limits. With pull-ups, you're not just building your body, you're building your character. So, step up to the bar and transform your life, one pull-up at a time.